Have you ever wondered why classic cars captivate so many enthusiasts? The classic car movement in America is a vibrant part of our culture. It represents freedom, innovation, and nostalgia. These vintage vehicles tell the story of American society through the decades. Starting in the roaring 1920s, classic cars mirrored societal changes and technological advancements. They became symbols of progress and personal identity, connecting people across diverse backgrounds. Shows, rallies, and museums are not just about cars. They inspire conversations and shared memories. After World War II, America transformed economically, fueling interest in classic cars. The 1940s and 50s saw powerful engines and innovative designs emerge. Iconic cars, like the Chevrolet Bel Air and Ford Thunderbird, symbolized prosperity. Collectors began to cherish these works of art, preserving the energy of an optimistic era. Car clubs and shows thrived, creating community amongst enthusiasts. These gatherings celebrate the beauty of classic cars and reflect a burgeoning car culture. Nostalgia for post-war times drives this passion, as many wish to preserve the symbols of their youth. Classic cars are akin to canvases of American identity. They represent freedom, mobility, and the essence of the American dream. Car ownership became a status symbol in the post-war era, linking vehicles to personal wealth and national prosperity. Moreover, classic cars showcase craftsmanship and artistic expression in automotive history. Enthusiasts invest time and resources into restoring these vehicles, demonstrating deep respect for engineering and design. Classic cars also populate our films, music, and literature, influencing modern automotive trends while evoking fond memories. Preserving these icons is essential. Restoration involves bodywork repairs, mechanical evaluations, and interior enhancements. Detailed documentation during restoration boosts value while sharing knowledge within the community. Proper care and storage extend the life of these cherished vehicles. In conclusion, classic cars are more than mere transportation. They signify a rich tapestry of American culture, innovation, and the love for freedom. Their allure continues to enchant new generations, reminding us of the open road and our shared history. If you're a classic car enthusiast, consider joining a community, attending shows, or starting your restoration journey. Your passion could help keep this incredible legacy alive.